Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya.
Hello people, I'm back and I got a new package today, so going to unbox this one. I've really wanted these figures for a long time, and I think fantasizing about having the figures in my collection is, you know, way cooler than actually having the figure. But anyways, let's unbox this one. Yeah. Alright. Let me put you guys aside. They did use a lot of tape. So anyways, let's open this one. I always love these things. Awesome. So what did I get? The first one is this one, the Grand Line Man Volume 3. Pretty nice, pretty awesome. Anyways, also this one, Mihawk, which is awesome also. And of course, the Dragon Ball X One Piece Zoro, which is more than awesome. I think it's the most awesomest. Hell yeah, guys! All right, and I have some other crap in here. Isn't really interesting at all. Some commercial things. Decent artwork. I always get these things. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video, and well, you will see reviews about these guys very soon. Have a nice day, y'all.